Hey-ya, hey. Hey-ya, hey. Hey-ya, hey-oh. Hey-ya, na. Hey-ya, na. Hey-ya, na. Na-he-va. Na-he-va. Nava-hiyashi kundine. Na-he-va. Welcome to Bodhisattva YouTube. Here at Bodhisattva YouTube, we are forming a collective focus, a focus in oneness within our unity as a humanity globally around Mother Earth. We are focusing on forming an energy, a golden embryo, to birth a new age upon our planet. And unity is key. It is all about a connectivity that moves throughout all of our hearts and feeling within what we are creating together with our collective action. So here at this time, just passing a beautiful new moon, moving into the what is in the modern world our holiday season. A beautiful time of celebration after the harvest, and a beautiful time for rest, integration, and new creativity to take form for the coming spring. So it's a real blessing this time for us to connect, to come to know one another in a better way, and to create vision together for a new world that we will create come the high sun. In my heart today, I am in an amazing place, such a beautiful place. I could not even know what to talk about. I'm just enchanted. And so it came in at that moment that the best thing to share today is that our Mother Earth is changing. I'm here in the high alpine by myself, far above the high mountain towns in my area, in this mountain region of the Pacific Coastal Range. And I'm quite high up, right near the glacier peaks, high up in the alpine. And I have this privilege to be here right now by myself, to listen. And that was all that came up for me to share, is that Mother Earth is changing. We are changing. Our sun is changing. This is a great time. This is the most magnificent time, and that's what I'm hearing in my heart to channel, to relay to you, is that we are meant to be here right now at this time in a grand celebration, and we are meant to enjoy Mother Earth right now as she moves into change, as she shifts, as our sun's frequency increases, our planet shifts, and we are meant to be in great awareness and celebration at this time of what's taking place in our solar system, within the cosmos, within the Milky Way galaxy. So it is a privilege to be talking to you. It is a privilege to feel this in my heart, in my body, in my stomach, and in my voice, and to feel this connectivity to oneness through my being into a universe. It is a deep, deep honor. And I want to speak of a beautiful time to come this spring, a time of great unity and awakening, and a time of great reverence for all that is, and a time of incredible compassion for one another. A great shift in our focus in how we live together. A new culture forming, a new calendar beginning. There is something really special taking place. And I want all of us to know that and hear it. So, ke aloha, deep from my heart, from the source of creation, may all cultures, Sat Nam, Namaste. The Deus Dias Los Muertos. Om. There's so many sounds, so many roots. They're all one. They're all of one fire, one flame, one spirit, one soul, one Aka. It's all one fire we are a part of. And it's time for a great healing to spread throughout all people's hearts around our globe, all people. And for us to become one like that fire. And for us to understand that and feel that security and safety in one another. In every town, in every city, in every country. All becoming one. One loving people. And this isn't to do with any of the politics. This is what the Spirit wants. But it wants us all to live in abundance and for us all to have our own wellness and to give and to offer each other that. The word of the month is advocate. Advocate. That's the word of the month. And we must advocate for one another within our families, within our businesses, within our political systems, within our governments, within our private and corporate entities. We must all start advocating for one another and each other's abundance and wellness. We must turn everything around. Instead of living for ourselves and gaining profit and working all the time, we must advocate for all of us to have what we need and live in absolute grand abundance. Our thinking needs to shift. We all need to be patient and slow down. We all need to consume less. Maybe many of us aren't consuming more than we need already, but we still feel the pressure of this monetary movement that does not serve us all. So a huge shift is here. And please, this is Bodhisattva YouTube. Again, Bodhisattva YouTube is where we form that golden embryo of light, a collective focus of our intention, of our vision, from our heart's resources, of what we dream and feel connected to. We can create it. So, this is an educational platform. It's an educational foundation. It's also a mystery school to help support you in any way that you need upon your journey. So don't hesitate to reach out if there is some sector of society or avenue of information that you're hung up on and want someone to talk to about. Then don't hesitate to connect with Planetary Yoga. My name is Gian Om Dharam, and here on Turtle Island, North America, Western British Columbia, I'm walking as Meteorite Orca-Chief. And we are seekers of truth, and we are givers of light. The Bodhisattva, we are here to enlighten others, share the enlightenment we've received, and share that enlightenment to enlighten others so we can create a freer and better world together that serves all people. So it's very real, it's happening, and you are welcome to connect here and be a part of it. www.planetarykundaliniyoga.com is a website that is affiliated with Bodhisattva YouTube. Please make connection if you need that. Just check out the sites if that's all that you need to serve you. And please like, subscribe, and share. It does help. And let's create this better world together by being awakened and being loving, by listening, by being simple, by working together. Tolerant. All right? None of us are better. None of us are worse. We live in a circle. We come from a place of that sacred circle to live in our hearts for one another and to enjoy the experience. Bright eyes, cosmos and starlight in our eyes, and everlasting love in our hearts. Sat Nam. Amen. Ke aloha. Aho. Wankantonka. Amama. Uanoa. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, oh. Hey, na. Hey, na. Hey, na. Naheva. Naheva. Nava Hiyashi Kundine Naheva. One fire, one flame. May we create in unity and love together.